With Etmos, we began a journey toward this idea that one software might be able to not only help manage an energy efficiency program, but multiply its effectiveness. We have built upon years of field development across multiple energy efficiency programs. We've witnessed how software can increase project completion rates, provide more accurate savings numbers, and lower application processing errors. However, we realized a greater need. With the introduction of Amplify, we open up a whole new generation of energy efficiency software that will affect every aspect of your program. Imagine a software custom tailored to maximize the effectiveness of each member of your team. From handling complex energy equations to automatically following up with customers, software that intelligently guides staff, partners, and customers toward a common goal: energy efficiency. Welcome to Amplify. Integrate your marketing efforts. What if you could see exactly how your marketing budget is affecting your program? Feel the pulse of an email campaign in real time to know if it is working. Or look back to see what kinds of opportunities were generated from an event to help you plan the next one. What if every marketing dollar could be tied to an amount of energy savings? Amplify allows you to make the most of every marketing dollar through end-to-end campaign management. Marketing directors can assign tasks and send emails directly from inside the campaign, generating a running timeline of what needs to be done and what has already been completed. Contacts can be added to a marketing campaign either from within Amplify or by uploading a list from an outside marketing software. And because Amplify integrates with most major marketing software such as MailChimp or ExactTarget, this process can happen automatically. Once contacts are added to a campaign, you can track response rates and opportunities being generated. Energy advisors are assigned opportunities generated from the marketing campaign according to specialization or territory. As the project moves from opportunity to submitted application to sending an incentive check, the project is tracked within the campaign as well. The campaign influence report and the return on marketing investment report are continually updated with key data points, such as average cost per customer, average cost per response, total value of opportunities generated, and dollars spent versus savings realized. Finally, the customer contact record gives you visibility into not only which campaigns that customer has been a part of, but if and how they have responded. Are certain campaigns resonating with customers in a particular industry? This data allows for evolving, hyper-targeted marketing that is ultimately more effective and generates higher energy savings per marketing dollar. Maximize project opportunities. With Amplify, we reimagined the way energy advisors manage the opportunity pipeline and see projects through to completion. The first step was giving them a high-level perspective on those key factors that are important to them. With a built-in assistant providing reminders of important deadlines, upcoming events, and tasks that need to be completed, an energy advisor can spend less time prioritizing and more time helping customers. To take this a step further, energy advisors can now view their pipeline on a Kanban-style project board. The flexibility of drag and drop makes it easy to move projects between stages and adjust forecast numbers quickly as information becomes available. At the project level, we've simplified the interface to give the energy advisor just-in-time information. As the project moves between stages, they see the key fields and helpful advice for that stage. The energy advisor can keep track of key contacts, upload files, or even build a project estimate using products from the program's price book, which will automatically calculate potential energy savings and incentive amount. Finally, we wanted to make logging information quick and easy. Right from the opportunity, energy advisors can record a call, make an appointment, schedule a task, or send an email. Want to compose an email but need information from another part of Amplify? No problem. Pop out the edit window and take it with you. With Amplify, we've gone beyond traditional customer relationship management to provide energy advisors a unique toolbox that is simple yet highly effective. The streamlined navigation and priority processing automation mean that energy advisors can spend their time where it matters most, with the customers. Process applications faster. Amplify takes the heavy lifting out of application processing. As applications come into Amplify, either through the partner portals or customer submission, they are automatically sorted into custom and prescriptive incentives. Rule-driven automation then calculates incentive spend and savings for each measure. A series of complicated validations then analyzes the data to determine reasonability and mitigate errors. Throughout the process, team collaboration happens alongside the application, preventing details from getting lost in an inbox. Technical reviewers can ask each other questions through the collaboration wall, and when an inspection is assigned, energy advisors receive a notification. Energy advisors can then access the application information, get directions to the customer site, fill out inspection report templates, and upload file attachments even while they are in the field. Quality control reports, invoice receipts, issue reports, and processing history, to name a few, are all stored in one place for easy access. Tracking applications and ensuring projects are going to hit their estimated completion date can be a time-consuming task. However, with Amplify, personalized follow-up emails are automatically sent to customers to provide updates as their estimated project completion date approaches, so that everyone can stay on the same page. Then, when the final paperwork is received, an approvals process ensures final accuracy before the application is queued for check processing. Improve team collaboration. To fully utilize the expertise of your program staff, it is imperative to have open knowledge share. Amplify fosters collaboration by bringing the conversation side by side with the subject, providing both context and an easy-to-use channel for communication. Use an @mention to notify another user, or like a comment to indicate agreement. As action items come up in conversation, quickly add them to your to-do list or delegate them to another member of the team. The task then appears in your personal to-do list and as part of the to-do list for that record. File sharing has never been simpler or more effective. Amplify uses a collaborative filing system, so every folder, we call them groups, has a message board for discussion about files related to a specific subject matter. Files are searchable not only by their title, but Amplify scans the content of the file itself, which results in a search functionality that is second to none. But what about security? Access is configurable so that each user only has access to the files they need. With so many collaboration tools built into Amplify, staff can communicate and find most of what they need without ever leaving the software. However, if you still think you might want to rely on existing software to manage your calendar, email, to-do list, or file sharing, don't worry. Amplify is able to integrate with most of today's top productivity tools, such as Gmail, Outlook, and Dropbox. Engage program partners. Making it easier for program partners to work with your program increases the likelihood that they will want to find more projects and do more work with you. Amplify empowers program partners through an automated online application portal. Program partners can use this portal to generate project estimates and find out what incentives they might be eligible for both standard and custom projects. Included in the portal is an equipment specifications database containing an ever-expanding, searchable list of more than 20,000 products. This means that program partners can select the exact measures they will be using in the project, and the portal does the rest, calculating everything automatically. If a contractor wants to see if one type of light bulb is more cost effective than another, they can compare the energy savings and incentives right inside their estimate. After generating an estimate, the contractor can choose to use that estimate to submit an application with the click of a button. From the home screen, they have access to a running list of estimates and submitted applications. From here, they can see the status of pre-approval, see when they might expect incentive checks after final paperwork has been submitted, even export their project list to Excel. This comprehensive tool helps program partners better estimate projects and find cost-effective ways to increase the energy efficiency of those projects. By providing this resource, your program is able to increase the number of program partners and the number of projects those partners are bringing in. The increased engagement, ease of use, and, faster processing times helps your program solidify those very important relationships with your program partners. Gather real-time insights. Having the ability to see trends and accurately predict challenges leads to better decision-making. Amplify provides the visibility you need to take informed action and ensure your program is making the greatest impact possible, both now and into the future. Dynamic graphing summarizes data instantly and provides a high-level perspective. In Amplify, not only are graphs dynamic, but so is the filtering. This allows you to drill down into your data quickly to find exactly what you're looking for. Dashboards are a great way to bring alignment to your team and focus everyone around the key metrics that drive energy efficiency. These dashboards are highly flexible. Need to emphasize a certain report in the morning stand-up meeting? Quickly make adjustments on the fly to present numbers in an interesting and meaningful way. Finally, these insights aren't restricted to your desk. Take them with you to conferences, customer sites, or on the plane. Imagine an energy advisor being able to use their phone to check their assigned inspections, use GPS to get directions to the customer site, and then be able to show the customer a comprehensive dashboard of how the projects they've done in the past year have contributed to your goals and their bottom line, all without having to power up their laptop. With Amplify, we've gone the extra mile to make sure your data works for you in a way that is seamless, giving you the insight you need to reach new levels of energy efficiency. Amplify allows you not only to know who your customers are, but to really get to know them. The customer record goes beyond collecting basic information to give you a multi-dimensional view of their interaction with your program. From here you can see energy usage, look back at email communication, see incentives they've received in the past, or monitor potential opportunities they may be contemplating for the future. You can review issues the customer has been involved in, or any on-site inspections that have been conducted. The multiple facets of your customer interactions all come together in one place in Amplify to give you a full picture of each customer. Inevitably, with any program, there are going to be customer issues, and having proper documentation is necessary. With cases in Amplify, issues can be logged easily, pertinent information can be gathered from multiple team members, and a resolution approvals process ensures that due diligence has been done to meet the needs of the customer. As more and more issues are tracked to resolution, your program gains consistency in issue management, and a solutions library serves as a staff resource to help you handle commonly reported issues. Beyond issue management, many programs also have quality control reporting to ensure the program is being run correctly. Amplify has QA/QC reporting built in so that quality assurance managers, either internal or external, can use pre-built templates to complete their analysis and tie the form directly to the records it pertains to. With quality control reports stored alongside the data they relate to, both program staff and outside auditors can easily look back to prior quality analysis to learn from those insights and continuously improve upon their program's customer experience. And this is just the beginning. As you customize Amplify, it evolves to meet your program's specific needs. A robust behind-the-scenes architecture automatically runs energy calculations and automates tasks that will save your team countless hours. Meanwhile, multi-layered security protects your program data, and regularly synced backups ensure that data is never lost. The need for effective energy efficiency programs is great. To meet that need is going to require a great software. That software is here. See how Amplify can help your program achieve its goals and improve energy efficiency.